Hello, good morning, friends. Hope you are well. So, this is the basics of GIS and remote sensing. This is the course which is designed for the undergraduate students. And let me introduce you this course. This course is having 5 chapters. And the first chapter is basics of GIS. Second is basics of remote sensing. Then we'll go to the remote sensing data characteristics. And then the chapter 4 is Google Earth Engine. Chapter 5 is Google Colab. So if you, when you cover all these chapters, chapter 1 to 5, it will make you enabled to do the remote sensing data analysis, and you can see the results processed by you directly. Now the question is why we are learning the GIS and remote sensing. Its answer is that we live at the surface of the earth, and at the surface of the earth there are natural as well as cultural components. So this course will make you enable to know about these natural as well as cultural processes. So why we are calling it GIS? What is GIS? GIS is a system of information of the surface of the earth. So it's a system, okay? And let me say that here this is the system. And in this system, there is a hardware, there is a computer analysis, the software, and the data, okay? So data you are getting from remote sensing sources and another sources also, not only remote sensing. So what geographical information system? Altogether it makes geographical information system. How important this is, because as you can see image, this image is showing the satellites revolving around the earth. So all these are the eyes or detectors which are detecting the phenomena which are taking place at the surface of the earth. So it's a huge data which we can use, developed by these satellites or derived by the satellites, and this data uh, can be used in many more fields. In many more fields, whether this is agriculture, you start from A, B, C, D, everywhere the use is there, remote sensing data or GIS. So, for example, this is agriculture, mass communication. This is the mm, for the planners, for the geology students, biology and natural resource management, environment science, business and management, and then project management. In all fields, this information or sensors information is being used. So this is very important course, and the course design is, I mean, the chapters, basics of GIS, remote sensing, and then data characteristics. Then we'll go to the data, because Google Earth Engine is a biggest platform which is providing us around 70, more than 70 petabytes of data. Okay, this is remote sensing data. This is the data atmosphere and climate. This is the data of the soil, land use, land cover. This is the data of the topography, and this is the data of socio-economic uh, variables which can be used in our study. So this course is designed in such a way so you may be benefited from the latest techniques used in data collection and analysis. So this was all about the basics of GIS remote sensing course introduction. Now we will move to the next section.